If your laser printer is jamming constantly, smearing toner, or making a grinding noise, replacing the toner won't fix it. You probably need a maintenance kit. Here's what that actually is. A maintenance kit is a bundle of the parts that wear out from friction and heat. The fuser assembly, the transfer roller, and the pickup and feed rollers. Toner is a consumable. These are mechanical parts, and they have a rated life, usually between 100,000 and 200,000 pages. Your printer will tell you. Look for a Perform Printer Maintenance or Replace Maintenance Kit message. And check your page count under Reports or Supply Status. 3 symptoms mean you're close. Repeat paper jams from the same tray. Toner that rubs off with your thumb, which is a failing fuser. And gray shadows or ghost images down the page, which is the transfer roller. Ignoring it doesn't save money. A worn fuser can crack and take the printer with it. Castle Inc. stocks maintenance kits, fusers, and rollers for most HP and Brother lasers. Link below.